don't think I've ever done a refrigerator clean out. And so anyway, I am just basically washing it, the shelves, trying to get these things clean before I, you know, stock them up full of food and maybe rearrange our refrigerator to make it look really nice. So it's not like they're real dirty, but you know, every now and then you really should clean them. You know what I'm saying? It's one of those neglected jobs that you pretty much put off towards the end of the year, you know? Maybe around springtime is the only time you may get to it, or think about it. Well, you think about it all the time, at least for me. I always think about it, but I don't really necessarily take the time to clean it because our refrigerators are pretty much always full. And right now, it's time to get those groceries in. So the refrigerator's looking pretty bare, so I figured why not take this time to go ahead and get it done. So that's why I'm doing this. So I'm just washing it, basically the glass part, adding a little bit of dish soap. And as you see, it's not terribly dirty, so that's great. Happy about that. And I think I'm going to rearrange these shelves a little bit more so I can make it look real pretty when I put my food on there. Some people have all those little pretty trays and stuff. I don't know, I thought about doing that for a refrigerator because we eat a lot of whole foods, a lot of fresh stuff, so it would look pretty if I decided to go that route. But I haven't figured out what would be really good. Now in the past I have done that where I bought some really nice things, little trays and stuff, but this time around I don't know what will work for us yet, and I don't want to spend too much money on it. Okay, so that looks about ready, so I'm gonna dry it. This one's pretty dirty. Follow into beautiful places. This one's pretty grimy. Everyone is not around. But it's not too bad. I wish it could happen to me. Dirt off. Dirt off. Your voices are singing so clear. I said this needs to be taken out and cleaned. See, it's pretty grimy, so we're gonna go ahead and take this shelf out. All the other ones are pretty clean. Oh, hold on. So I put this shelf here. I think this is a good height because I put the milk. Usually I put milk and stuff up here, coffee creamers and all that stuff. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and remove all of this stuff too. Trash, look how dirty that is. Look at that. Super dirty. Can remove this. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take care of this. Remove all this now.
Even now, in this very room, you can see it when you look out your window, or when you turn on your television. You can feel it.
This one's pretty darn grimy too. I'm just gonna spray it. I'm using Clorox bleach. Let's go ahead and Hey guys, welcome back. It's me and Jazzy today.
It's been a while.
Yes, and Jazzy's not with her man today, so she's hanging with her mom, and we're gonna do some grocery shopping.
Hey guys, it's me, Jasmine. So I just wanted to say hi.
Oh, update tomorrow. What's going on?
Okay, yeah. So I got into nursing school this past month, and I'll be starting nursing school this August. And I'm really, really, really excited about it.
Yes.
So yep.
Yep. And you are in a new promotion, at your job.
Yeah. I haven't. I mean, I'm gonna get it yet. I'm not the assistant manager just yet, but I will be the assistant store manager at my job, which is really fun. Okay. I can get one bag. Well, I'm gonna need to stop so I can hold.
I'll try that you could like a try.
Okay.
I know how to